MWC Barcelona. I'm here with Sean Liu. He's the Director of the Consultant Office in Huawei's Carrier Business Group. Sean, thank you for joining us.
Morning.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about digital transformation, which is a big theme here at the show, and how Huawei is supporting that with a new initiative called The Guide. So Sean, let's go into the extended reality studio and talk a little bit more about that. So Huawei's talking a lot about the Guide business blueprint here at MWC. Sean, tell us why you're putting the focus on that.
So in a digital economy, operators need to have 5 kinds of business capability to face changes and new challenges brought by digital transformation. According to Huawei's Intelligent World 2030 report, by 2030, there will be more than 200 billion collections globally, as all things will be collected with intelligence. In addition, there will be 1.6 billion fiber broadband subscribers. The 10 Gbps home broadband will make holographic communication and a human-like space possible. To address these challenges, Huawei proposes Guide to the Future, which is based on a 3-dimensional business blueprint: business plus technology plus social responsibility. The 5 kinds of business capabilities are expanding services, innovating efficiency, leveraging resources, competing on value, and contributing to society.
Thanks, Sean. So let's talk a little bit more about those 5 business capabilities. How exactly should we understand those?
Expanding services, it means full scenario coverage and full service penetration capabilities. Gigabit anytime, anywhere further extends the net to include gigabit user experience and gigabit coverage. It reflects gigabit connectivity in terms of both width and depth. Innovating efficiency to improve operator O&M efficiency. Innovation such as automation is required. Networks are accessed in an increasing number of ways, address the varied demands of more scenarios, such as ports, mines, and manufacturing requires complex operation and maintenance. Intelligence and big data technologies are needed to implement automated O&M, which includes network autonomy, self-healing, and self-optimization. Leveraging resource, computing and network resource are requirements of enterprise to implement the efficient allocation of computing and network transport capacity and maximize resource utilization. Operators need to leverage resource in a better way. Competing on value, it means present competitiveness in value creation based on the monetization of on-demand and differentiated experiences. Multi-dimensional charging methods meet further B2C and B2B requirements for deterministic experience. For example, specific requirements for uplink bandwidth and various industry requirements for deterministic latency and bandwidth. Contributing to society, it means expanding green technology and contributions to society in broad dimensions, including environment, society, and governance. Carriers network should be energy efficient and green in a first place before making industry energy efficient and green.
Okay, Sean, so what does the Guide mean? What do those 5 letters stand for exactly?
As introduced, Guide is based on a 3-dimensional business blueprint: business plus technology plus social responsibilities. Guide consists of Gigaverse initiative, ultra automation speed up, intelligent computing and network as a service, differentiated experience on demand, and ESG, more bits, less watts. We believe Guide is now. Specifically, Guide means the following. G, Gigaverse initiatives means ubiquitous gigabit connectivity and the digitalization of everything. U, ultra automation speed up means accelerating ultra automation reconstruction to address uncertainties. I, intelligent computing and network as a service means providing new benefits of collaboration. D, differentiated experience on demand means the diversified experiences and multi-dimensional monetization. ESG, more bits, less watts, means the three-layer green ICT architecture that contributes to a harmonious society.
So Sean, what different strategies should operators in different countries and different regions follow when they're implementing the guide?
To our understanding, operators in different regions have different development states and will have different strategies. Guide is a future-oriented business blueprint proposal for operators rather than a short-term scenario-based solution for quick win. It may be difficult for operators in emerging markets to achieve the ultimate goal within 5 years. However, we have specified the three phases evolution paths of Guide. Customers in emerging markets can focus in short term on an initial phase target that is appropriate to their local conditions. For example, in terms of gigaverse initiatives, even if no 5G spectrum is available, we can use the 5G-ready 4.5G solution instead. After 5G spectrum is allocated, operators can upgrade to the next phase. Guide benchmarks for the three phases are as follows. G from peak Gbps to Gbps per user, and then to X Gbps per user. U from ADN level 1 to ADN level 3, and to the ADN level 5. I from value-bounded products to resource-orchestrated solutions, and then to demand-centric services. D from best effort experience to guaranteed experience, and then to on-demand experience. E from a network carbon intensity of 120 to 80, and then to 40.
So how would Huawei recommend that operators follow the guide roadmap towards digitization in the future? What kind of support exactly would Huawei provide?
Huaweis Vision and mission is to bring digital to every person, home, and organizations for fully connected, intelligent world. To this end, we will drive ubiquitous connectivity and promote equal access to networks to lay the foundation for the intelligent world. We will also provide superior computing power to deliver ubiquitous cloud and intelligence. During the transformation towards Guide, we can communicate with customers at the strategic level, assist carriers in formulating future-oriented business and network development strategies, and set up joint work team to upgrade and deploy networks step by step in selected service domains to achieve expected business objectives.
Sean, thank you very much for talking us through the guide.
Thank you, David. Thank you.